Okay, welcome to the video. Welcome back to the video, I meant to say. Now what we're going to do in this part of the video is I'm going to go ahead and create the simple version of the capture page, and I'm going to add an autoresponder messages. Okay, so I'm going to create an autoresponder. I'm going to create the capture page first. Now when you first come to the website, you're going to go ahead and sign up to your account. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to this page. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to recognize that you need to have a list. You need to create a list for the email subscribers to go on to. Okay, now by default, they're going to give you this list right here, the web prospects. So we're going to do everything within the web prospects. Okay, now the first thing we want to do is create a capture page. Okay, so click right here, number one, create the capture page. This is very simple. Most importantly, make sure, number one step, make sure that you put the capture page, you select the list that you want to go to. Now, if you want to create a new list and bypass the default, you're going to click right here, create that new list. Okay, now remember, the list is the name. This is the name of the list, so if you're promoting something for Facebook, maybe it'll say Facebook or whatever. Okay, and then that'll let you know what campaign that is. Okay, so let's just roll with this one. Let's change that color right there. Okay, now this is the opt-in form. This goes on to your website. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right there, but I really don't use that. We're going to look at the capture page in a second, okay? So, let's see. Let's go ahead and use this one, that's fine. Okay, then the next thing I want to let you know is that you can put a YouTube video in your capture page, and I highly recommend that you create a short video of yourself or whatever you want to do. But videos is going to help. And also on your capture page, you don't necessarily need to have a video, especially if you have good call to action, I meant to say. Okay, so but I really believe that if you put a video of yourself or whatever, it brands you so that when people see you, you know what I mean, they're like, cool, I like that person. Let me go ahead and opt in. And the people that don't like you, they won't opt in. You know what I mean? So that's very important. You're not really trying to market to everybody. Like those days are over. You really want people to see you all around the internet, and then they see you and they go, wow, that person's really doing it. Let me follow that person. Okay, so step number 5, what's going to happen is they have a Facebook button, and a person can opt into your capture page with their Facebook account. Now, I want to let you know I do CPA marketing, which is when somebody opts into a capture page that I'm promoting for a business, I get paid per lead. And when they have that Facebook option on there, like people can just opt in from their Facebook account, the conversion rate goes way up. So that's a plus if you're using this marketing system that I'm showing you right now. People will be able to just opt in with their Facebook account, and you'll get a lot of leads like that. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is this is very important. When you create your account, you're going to have an email address on there, okay? Now, they're going to ask you, hey, do you want us to send you a notification every time somebody opt in to your capture page? And you're going to say, yes, you do, because when those leads come in, you want to know that. And also, if you're building a list, then you want those leads to come into your email inbox so that you can, if you want to do a proof video that you're able to generate leads, then that'll be the way you do that. So go ahead and check yes, because those are going to get sent direct to your email inbox. It's going to say, bam, you got a new subscriber. Okay, now your thank you page. After I opt into your squeeze page, where do you want to send me? Wherever you want to send me, you're going to put that right here, okay? And let me see where do I want to go. Guess I'll show you one of my capture pages. Okay, so that's it. That's how we created it. Let's go back, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like again. You got to select your list, put your call to action, fix your color if you want to. Okay, go ahead and put your sub headline right there. Next thing you want to do, you want to make sure that they can fill it out with their Facebook account. That's optional. Okay, you want to get the emails to send to your inbox, and you have your thank you page. That's it. So we're done creating the page. Let's check it out. Click submit and get the code. Okay. Now, when they say get the code, this code right here, that's that little box that I showed you. Okay, you could put that on your website, like in the sidebar if you want to. And I highly recommend that you do, But in this video, we're going to focus on these two capture pages, okay? Okay, so this is what the capture page is going to look like, okay? So that's it right there. As you can see, remember I said they could opt in with Facebook. So that's it. Turn that off while I explain everything. Okay, so as you can see, they got their name and all that stuff. Get access. That's what your capture page is basically going to look like. Now, again, you don't need to have a video in there. If you don't, it won't be a video right there, okay? Let's look at the next version. Okay, so it's up to you which one you want to use, but you have two options. As you can see, what I like about this system is that the capture pages that they give to you, they look plain. They might look plain to you, but trust me, plain always works. Like this white background, that will always work. That's why they did that. Okay, nothing fancy, but this will get the job done. It's up to you to put a good headline and sub headline in there, and things like that. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so now that we created our capture page and all that, let's go ahead and add some messages to our autoresponder. Okay, so most importantly, that capture page was working with this. This is your list. Okay, the capture page that we just created is web prospects. Okay, so what I want to do is come right here. This is very important. This is how you're going to build your autoresponder. You're going to come back and you're going to, anytime you want to get back, just click that logo right there. Okay, click view autoresponder for this list. Okay, now you see I have two autoresponders. I have two autoresponder messages in there. Okay, now this is for that list. The only thing I need to do is very simple. Go ahead and add one. Okay, so I'm gonna add another one. So step one, put your headline. Step two, go ahead and figure out what day you want it to be delivered on. Okay, so do you want to deliver it on day one, day two, three, and it's going to allow you to add your messages, and you can add as many messages as you want. So maybe you're going to do a 30-day campaign, or maybe you're going to do a 7-day. Spread them out. If you want your emails delivered like every 4 days or whatever, you're gonna have to put it in there like that. Okay. Okay. So let's go ahead and very important. Once you put your message in, you're gonna save it. Okay. Just like that. Okay, and then you're gonna have to come over, close it. It's gonna ask you that. So save and close your messages. That'll get you back to this screen right here. Okay. Then you're gonna put another one in there. And you're just gonna keep filling it up until you're done with your autoresponder messages. Now, I do have pre-written emails if you need them. Get with me. I sell them cheap, but what it does, it gives you hundreds and hundreds of high converting emails, uh, to send out to your list because in the beginning, you need more emails than the company is going to give to you. Most of the stuff that you're promoting, they're going to give you like a 7-day campaign, but you really need trust building emails, and I got those. Okay, so let's go ahead. Remember, save, then close. Okay, click OK, and then that's going to add that to that. So now we have a capture page and we have 4 messages going on, and that's about it. Now the last thing I want to do is show you how to create a new list. Okay, so bam, you go like that. You come down right here. Okay, let me see. Add a list. And this is just a new list, you know, if you want to, because you want to set, maybe create another list for a different campaign. So think about a list as a campaign. So if you're creating, like you have different offers that you're promoting, you're going to need to create a new list. Okay, and then it will go like that. Okay, go ahead and add that. Then I'll come back to Magic Response homepage. Then I'll go ahead and click that new list. Okay, once that's in, then I will go ahead and start the whole process over. Create a lead magnet. Then I will come back and I will view my, hit that view autoresponder, and that will create a. You will see it's gonna have nothing in there. Then I will go like that, and I'll just go ahead and start working, putting my emails in. Okay, so that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys, if you guys have any questions, make sure you let me know. Thank you very much for watching this video. Sherrod Lowe signing out.